To use the QTAKE TALKBACK feature, there's a button down here that allows you to click, and it brings up a menu. So you can see here, talk, main menu, mix. The arrow here allows you to select what your input and your output device are going to be. So your input's like your microphone, your output's where you're going to hear all this stuff, all this chatting. So in this case, what I've done is I've set up a blue microphone. It's a USB microphone. And I've also just got a regular pair of headphones wired into cylinder. So it's just going into the headphone jack. Nothing special. This is going into the USB port for connectivity. Anytime you set up anything like this, even though you've got the QTAKE menu here, you're not going to actually see these devices. So you'll have to close QTAKE and relaunch it for then QTAKE to scan all new devices and select something. So let's assume you've connected everything, you've shut down QTAKE, you've restarted it. Great. So now, once you click the TalkBack button, you see this menu, you hit the arrow here, you're going to set your input, I'm going to say USB mic, and my output, I'm going to use just headphones. And you've got, a director's iPhone or iPad connected, so that's great. If you want to talk to them, up in here, there's a talk button, but you'll notice it's grayed out right now. So what we want to do is we want to enable talking features. So long press this button. Now you've got it updated to say monitor and talk. So now you look up here and you've got a talk button too. So if you click on that, when you talk into this microphone, and I've got an iPhone over there, testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. We're gonna try that again. We'll turn up the volume. Hopefully it doesn't do too much feedback. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. So that's great. Go ahead. When you're done talking, you hit this talk button, and it's done. We'll turn this down. Now, on this side here, you'll notice that when I went and did the long press, that enabled this device to have talking features. So if you look here, you'll see down at the bottom here, there's a talk button. So now the director can actually click this button, and they can say something, and you're going to basically hear it through the headphones because you set your TalkBack output to headphones. So let's say you want to use Bluetooth devices. Well, same thing. I've got here my Bluetooth devices. Now, I don't know if this works because I think my Bluetooth headset might be broken. But let's assume that it's just specific to mine. This should work in theory. You connect it to the computer, so you have to close this, connect it from the OS level, launch it in again, and you're going to have those options in here. We're going to change our input for TalkBack to the Bluetooth, and the output to the Bluetooth as well. So it's the same thing here too. So go ahead and I'm going to hit talk. This is my mic. Test 1 2 3. Okay, so we got feedback, but right now I'm talking to the Bluetooth headset, and it's going right into the director's iPhone. That may be causing the feedback because the director has also got the talk feature. Okay, so I'm hiding behind the laptop screen, talking into the Bluetooth headset, and it's coming through. So all I have to do now is just turn off the talk feature. So if I turn it off, testing 1 2 3, and you don't hear it coming through again.